And today I'm gonna show you the red baron fruit. Cover them like this with paper towels because the birds started to eat them. So that's how I cover them. I see 2 of them already. He doesn't produce a lot, I noticed. A lot of fruit because I have it in a 15-gallon pot right there. And also the flowers, since they are double flowers and they're bright, almost red, they don't attract a lot of pollinators, so I'm thinking it doesn't get pollinated by pollinators, so it doesn't produce that much. Because other varieties, even though they are on the pots, they produce more fruit. So this one doesn't produce that much fruit. But look, those are almost ready. So this is the red baron. So I'm gonna taste that one. There's another one behind it, and show you what they look like on the inside and tell you what they taste like, so you give it a try. What I like about this variety is that it has bright red, or like bright pinkish red double flowers, and it adds beauty to your garden and also produces good enough fruit. It's a low chilling hour variety, so I believe it's below 300 or 300 chilling hours. So if where you live you only get those, this one can make it there. And it's a beautiful flower, as I said, that it produces. The red baron Peachtree variety. Now we're gonna taste the red baron peach, see what it tastes like. This one's ready. My friends, very juicy and sweet. This one's ready. Last year they didn't taste that great because they were not fully ripened, but this one tastes great. I would give it at least a 9, between 1 and 10, 10 being the best. It also has beautiful flowers, red double flowers. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, because I'm gonna be sharing one of the most important secrets about plants that I learned while taking horticulture classes in college. And a lot of people don't know this. At least I would say at least 80% of people don't know what I'm gonna share between December and January. So stay in touch, that way you find out. Thank you for watching.